Yo, what's up? Making this video to show you my new paintball gun. Yeah. Got it for it's a cheap gun. Got it for 25 bucks off some guy on the internet. Yep. Game Face, Bone Daddy, BL. Yeah. 25 bucks. I got the stock 8-inch barrel and shake and shoot crappy hopper. Yeah. Okay, the barrel. Just a second.
Even if you already received a rebate, you still might be eligible for hundreds of dollars more on this year's taxes. Find out if you've left big money on the table. Talk to your people at H&R Block. Our tax professionals are specially trained to find you this extra money. Call us or visit findmypeople.com to schedule an appointment today.
Ew, gross. Oh, that's Ishmael. That's disgusting.
Clean up, but you can't cover up that bald spot. Instead of hiding it, solve it with men's well-being foam. In clinical testing, 85% of men regrew hair.
Looks nice. Fades from like, it looks like red and black on the camera, but it's like this pinkish color, which is cool. And it fades to like a real deep purple. I nicknamed it Pink Lemonade. That's kind of gay. Vertical feed neck. Open bow. Double shoulder. This is my left hand, so. Yeah.
Eric Von Daniken's firm belief that Earth has been visited in the past by beings from other planets. He's entirely consistent with
like her, don't you? Yeah, you do. I know you do.
It is merely a question of interpretation. When I was there, I was a very, very deep believer in God. By the way, I'm still a believer in God. I never lost my God. But for a young man, my God would be almighty. My God would never need a vehicle in which to move around. A vehicle to go from point.
I need a new hopper, so if you got any suggestions for a new hopper, I'm not gonna go spend $1 million on some hopper that's gonna break if I drop it once. So, yeah.
Sometimes these
That's it.